Have you ever wondered what forcible touching charges in New York really mean? It can change lives overnight. Under New York Penal Law Section 130.52, forcible touching happens when someone intentionally touches another person's intimate parts without legitimate purpose, either to degrade them or for sexual gratification. As a defense attorney in New York, I can assure you that these charges carry serious consequences. Lebedin Kofman LLP is here to help you navigate this complicated legal landscape. Contact us today at 646-663-4430 for a free consultation. Though classified as a Class A misdemeanor, the fallout goes beyond a mere year in jail. The law primarily targets unwanted physical contact, especially on public transportation, addressing problems prevalent in NYC's subway system. Prosecutors need to prove specific criteria for forcible touching. They must show that the touching was intentional, not accidental, lacked any legitimate purpose, done either to degrade the person or satisfy sexual desire. The immediate penalties can be severe. You could face up to 1 year in jail, 3 years of probation, and fines of up to $1,000. Furthermore, it often leads to a permanent criminal record, severely affecting future employment, housing options, community reputation, and immigration status, especially for non-citizens. Understanding how forcible touching is different from other sex crimes is essential. Sexual abuse requires sexual contact, while forcible touching emphasizes intent behind the action. In the case of People v. Kofman, the court focused on the defendant's motives rather than just the nature of the contact itself. Additionally, public lewdness involves exposure of intimate parts, whereas forcible touching is about physical contact. Often, many cases see charges for both offenses when several elements are involved. Defending against these allegations requires a tailored strategy for each case. One effective approach is challenging the element of intent. The prosecution must demonstrate that your actions were intentional. Questions to explore include: was it accidental contact in a crowded subway? Was it innocent contact that was misinterpreted? Could it be a case of mistaken identity? Establishing consent can play a crucial role in your defense. Text messages, evidence of a prior relationship, or witness testimony can support your case. Many cases boil down to the credibility of statements. Inconsistencies in the accuser's account or delays in reporting could be key factors. In one recent case, our client was exonerated thanks to video footage that contradicted the accuser's account. Since the #MeToo movement, allegations of forcible touching have received increased attention. While it's vital to take every allegation seriously, this can lead to overly aggressive prosecutions. The truth is, false allegations do occur. If you're charged, remember these steps: don't speak to the police without your attorney. Preserve any evidence as quickly as possible. Time is critical. Recognize that these charges are defendable. Be aware of potential collateral consequences that a plea deal may carry. In summary, while forcible touching cases reside in a complex area of law with high stakes, there are effective defense strategies available. Remember, the presumption of innocence exists for a reason. With the right legal support, you can protect your future. If you're facing these charges, reach out today at 646-663-4430 for a free consultation. Let us help you navigate this challenging situation effectively.